In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create schedule in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clear, simple way to set a start date and a due date on a task, so your work is organized and easy to track. First, open your ClickUp account. Once you're in, head to the specific list where you want this schedule to live. A list in ClickUp is simply a place that holds related tasks, so choosing the right one keeps everything tidy and easy to find later. Now, add a new task to that list. You'll see an option to create or add a task. Go ahead and click it. When the task name field appears, type a clear title. For this walkthrough, we'll use meeting. Short descriptive names make searching and reporting much smoother down the line, especially if you're juggling multiple items. Next, click the new task to open it. This brings up the task details panel, which is where you'll set the actual schedule. You'll notice date controls here. Click Start to enable the start date. The start date marks when you intend work to begin or when preparation should kick off for that task, so pick a date that realistically reflects your plan. A small calendar will pop up. Select the day that fits your timeline. If you need to make adjustments, don't worry. You can always change dates later as plans evolve. After that, select the due date. The due date is your commitment for when the task should be completed. Click the due date field, choose the date from the calendar, and make sure it comes after your start date. ClickUp expects your timeline to move forward, and keeping that sequence clear helps you and anyone else viewing the task understand the schedule at a glance. That's it. You've created a task called Meeting, opened it, set a start date, and then set a due date. ClickUp saves your changes automatically, so there's nothing else you need to press. You'll see the dates displayed on the task, and that scheduling information will also show up wherever dates are visible in your workspace, helping you spot what's coming up and what needs attention. To recap in plain language, open your account, choose the right list, add a task named Meeting, open it, click. Start to set the start date, pick the date, then set the due date. With those few actions, you've created a clean, reliable schedule in ClickUp that keeps your work on track and your priorities clear.